welcome to Level Up IAS and welcome back to 10-minute series. Today we're gonna finish the part 3 of Governor Generals and Viceroys, and we're gonna look at some of the very important events that occurred during their tenure. So let's begin. Lord Hardinge II, 1910 to 1916. Transfer of capital from Calcutta to Delhi in 1911. Beginning of World War I in 1914. Establishment of the Hindu Mahasabha in 1915 by Madan Mohan Malviya. Delhi Darbar 1911 proclaimed King George V as the Emperor of India. Lord Chelmsford 1916 to 1921. Formation of Home Rule League in 1916 by Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Lucknow Session of Congress 1916. This session of Congress was also called Session of Two Unions. Please explain why was it called Session of Two Unions in the comment section below. Foundation of Sabarmati Ashram in 1916 by Mahatma Gandhi. Launch of Champaran Satyagraha in 1916, Kheda Satyagraha in 1918 and Ahmedabad Satyagraha in 1918. Montagu's August Declaration in 1917. Government of India Act in 1919. Rowlatt Act in 1919. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre in 1919. Launch of Non-Cooperation Movement in 1920. Foundation of Women's University at Pune in 1916 by Dr. Dondo Keshav Karve, and he was later awarded with Bharat Ratna in 1958. Sadler's Commission in 1917, which was a commission for reforms in education policy. Death of Bal Gangadhar Tilak in 1920. Appointment of S.P. Sinha as the Governor of Bihar. He was the first Indian to become a governor. Lord Reading 1921 to 1926. Chauri Chaura incident in 1922. Mopla rebellion in Kerala in 1921. Kakori train robbery 1925. Establishment of Swaraj Party by C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru in 1922. Decision to conduct simultaneous exam both in India and London for ICS from 1923. Lord Irwin 1926 to 1931. Visit of Simon Commission to India in 1928. Nehru Report in 1928. Butler Commission in 1927 with the objective of inquiring into the relationship between the Indian states and the paramount power. Saunders murder in 1929, bomb blast in Assembly Hall of Delhi in 1929, Purna Swaraj resolution in 1929, Dandi March in 1930 by Gandhi to launch civil disobedience movement, Deepavali Declaration by Lord Irwin in 1929, Gandhi-Irwin Pact in 1931. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru achieved martyrdom in 1931. Lord Willingdon 1931 to 1936. Communal Award in 1932 was awarded, because of which Mahatma Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar signed Pune Pact. Individual Civil Disobedience Movement in 1933. The Government of India Act 1935. Establishment of All India Kisan Sabha in 1936. Burma separated from India in 1935. Lord Linlithgow 1936 to 1944. Second World War in 1939. Lahore Resolution in 1940. August Offer by the Viceroy in 1940. Cripps Mission in 1942. Quit India Resolution by Congress in 1942. Karachi Session of Muslim League in 1944. Lord Wavell 1944 to 1947. C. Rajagopalachari Formula in 1944. Wavell Plan and Shimla Conference in 1942. Cabinet Mission in 1946. Royal Indian Navy Mutiny in 1946. Announcement of end of British rule in India by Clement Attlee in 1947. Lord Mountbatten 1947 to 1948. The Earl Mountbatten of Burma, he oversaw the recapture of Burma and Singapore from the Japanese by the end of 1945. June 3rd Plan in 1947. Radcliffe Commission. This is a table for you to revise. Now let's look at some of the past year questions. This was asked in 2017. The objective of the Butler Committee of 1927 was to A. Define the jurisdiction of the central and provincial governments. Define the powers of the Secretary of State for India. C. Impose censorship on national press. D. Improve the relationship between the Government of India and the Indian states. See, option D is the correct option because the objective of Butler Committee was to look into the relationship between the Government of India and the paramount power. So option D is correct here. Let's look at another question. With reference to Indian freedom struggle, consider the following events. Mutiny in the Royal Indian Navy, Quit India movement launched, and second round table conference. What is the correct chronological sequence of the above events? See, if you remember, if you don't even remember exact dates, you can figure out that second round table conference happened after Gandhi-Irwin Pact, which was somewhere in 1930s. So we'll write 1930s here. We don't know exact year. Quit India movement launched was 1942, and mutiny in Royal Indian Navy happened in 1946. So with this, the chronology would be second round table conference, then Quit India movement launched, and then mutiny in Royal Indian Navy. That is 3, 2, 1. So option C would be the correct option. Correct? This is a practice question which I want you to practice and give your answers in the comment section below. Do like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.